A follow-up to a story we first brought you last night at 11. How did a distracted driver who caused an accident that killed a Northern Virginia grandfather only walk away with a $125 fine? Our chief investigative reporter Eric Flack studied the body camera video in search of answers for the victim's family. And tonight, he uncovers how a missing witness and a test police did not do in that distracted driver's cell phone may have played a role in this distracted driving outrage.
Any mistake that we made, we never judged anybody ever.
86-year-old William Glass held tight to his granddaughter Callie since she was 2. The war veteran married 55 years to his wife, Pyrak. His family says Glass served his country much better than the Fairfax County justice system served them.
Do you feel betrayed by the court system?
Absolutely.
They do.
Fairfax County Police Bodycam shows the chaotic aftermath on April 4th, 2022.
You were going north?
Investigators questioning that man in purple, 35-year-old Leonel Alvarado, after he slammed his truck into the back of William Glass's minivan while he and his wife were stopped at a red light on Fairfax County Parkway.
He didn't stop. He on the phone. And detective said the same thing. He on the phone.
Although Alvarado initially tried to blame his brakes,
I bet you if I step on those brakes right now, they'll have plenty of pressure. Oh, yeah.
a passenger in the truck
Were you in the truck?
tells police the truth. Alvarado was looking down at his phone just before impact.
He was looking for the address in Google.
On Google?
Yes.
His spine was broken in 3 different places.
Glass clung to life in his hospital bed for 4 months.
And he said, I will try. I'm going to try to fight. I'm going to try. And he held his fist up. I'm going to try.
He passed away on August 3rd, 2022.
For me, I feel like I have nothing at all. Nothing left at all.
Fairfax County Police initially called it a case of reckless driving, punishable by a maximum of 12 months in jail. But after meeting with police, prosecutors would downgrade the reckless driving charge to holding a phone while operating a vehicle and driving without a license because Alvarado only had his learner's permit at the time of the accident.
There was nothing said about him killing somebody else because he was on the phone.
In court, Leonel Alvarado pleaded guilty and walked away with a $125 fine plus court costs, the penalty for a first-time distracted driving offense. The Commonwealth's Attorney's Office dropping the driving without a license charge because Alvarado passed his full driver's test in the months leading up to court. So, how did Leonel Alvarado walk away with only a $125 fine? The Commonwealth's Attorney's Office told us Virginia law carries a high legal bar to prosecute traffic fatalities as criminal cases. And in this instance, that passenger that told police the driver was on his cell phone at the time of the accident disappeared. So prosecutors say there was no way to meet that higher bar for additional charges. But there's more. Fairfax County Police failed to do what's known as a forensic exam on the driver's cell phone.
How do they know that person was only on GPS when they were holding their phone?
In a statement, Fairfax County Police told us a forensic examination of the phone was not necessary due to the witness placing the phone in the driver's hand and an admission that the driver was looking at his GPS. But with that witness now gone, Jennifer Smith of StopDistractions.org says a forensic exam could have provided an additional layer of digital proof. Alvarado was on his cell phone at the time of the accident.
For the Fairfax PD to not do a forensic analysis, so they just take someone's word on it, they should have done that analysis.
Fairfax County Police maintain a forensic exam on the driver's cell phone would not have made a difference. Quote, detectives worked with the Commonwealth Attorney's Office to obtain these charges, which did not rise to the level of reckless driving. The facts and circumstances of the crash support the charges as presented.
You can't just take somebody's life and then walk away because of your bad judgment.
Yeah, and just into our newsroom less than 90 minutes ago, another twist in this case. Fairfax County Police are now disputing that statement we got from prosecutors about the importance of that missing witness. A statement they emailed to us reads in part, the prosecutorial decision to not pursue additional and more serious charges in this case has nothing to do with witness testimony. Their statement seems to imply it does, it doesn't.